What is up, guys? It's been some time since I uploaded my last video, and I know I don't talk before the beginning of the video, but I thought it was just a little necessary for this one. Otherwise, this might just get a little boring and you might wonder what am I even up to in this video. So basically, I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube while juggling it along with two other balls. Now, this might not sound that interesting, but this probably is the rarest skill on the internet at this moment. And with me uploading this video, I become only the fifth person in the world to be able to do it. So I hope you stick through till the end of the video and hope you enjoy it.